Hello, welcome to Grunge Punk Brainworms, the place where you can be cool and find out what's going on in little boxes like this. This is from Deaf by Audio. It's called The Robot, and it's as mental as a bag of crazy ass frogs in a biscuit coated ice cream flavored dust covering of broken stardust. Or something. Anyway, enough with the terrible American accent. This is Deaf by Audio's Robot Pedal. It's been out for a while, but I thought I'd do a video on it anyway, because it's just nuts. It's a bit of a Bitcrusher, 8-bit Bitcrusher, but it's got this cool, weird arpeggiator thing going on in it, and some pitch bending stuff through the settings. It's got 4 settings, which you select with this switch here, which is kind of going from like a standard sort of fuzz, which you can destroy. Of course you can, it's Deaf by Audio. Then it's got like a pitch up, a pitch down, and the arpeggiator. So I'll run through it quickly and just give you a quick idea of what it sounds like. And then I thought what would be cool is I'm actually recording a demo version of a new song at the moment. So I thought I'll use this just to lay down a guitar track in it and show you it. And then you can hear it kind of in a song. And, you know, maybe that'll be interesting. Maybe it won't. But let's find out. Anyway, let's jump in. Oh, before I go anywhere, please, if you get any value from this, I really hope today's the day that I earn your subscription. Please, it would really help me a lot. Give me loads of motivation to carry on making these jolly pieces of art. Would you call it art? YouTube videos, art? Anyway, please subscribe, like the video, tell your friends, tell your nan. Yeah, it'd help me a lot. Thank you. I'm going to crank it on. Start off with the fuzz setting and let's see what happens. It's so crazy. Just completely destroys the sound. That's the highest note on the guitar. It does some crazy stuff. It's like you go down but the note goes up sometimes, or you go up and sometimes it goes down. It's just... That's pretty nuts. And there it goes through. This is pretty much a standard. Okay, let's switch it over to this pitch down. Like if you like really crazy music, this thing's pretty cool. Try to pitch up. It's just nuts, isn't it? So crazy. Anyway, let's try the arpeggiator. I'll sweep through the whole lot. So there you go. That's a rough idea of it. It's nuts, isn't it? It's just like. But you can do some really cool stuff with this. It's a wild beast, but I think you can tame it and use it maybe. So what I thought would be cool is I'm going to record a guitar track in a new song that I'm doing, and yeah, and then you can hear what it's like, kind of in a track, and maybe that would be helpful. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is just record a guitar track using this robot pedal, and it's on the 3rd setting along the pitch up, and this is set to about 4 o'clock. There we go. So that's the guitar track done. I did do some guitar tracks earlier just to back this up. So I'll put it on now and you can just hear it in context, and hopefully the levels are okay. Okay. I really need to get better on the drums. That gives you a rough idea what it's like in a song. Anyway, I don't know if I'll do this again with acoustic drums. I might just stick with the software drums. I'm not good enough yet. But yeah, it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? A bit of fun. Just a bit of fun. What's the matter? We are. It's all right. It's okay. Anyway, that's it then. Pretty much done. That is the robot pedal. Thanks for watching. If you've made it through to the end, much appreciated. Please subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends, your family, your fishing group, your Boy Scouts club, your church classes, and Jesus. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks very much. Take care. La, 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 la.